Welcome back to another episode on Rebuildz. Today what we got going on is we're going to cut the frame off the 2020 Ford Escape because we want to cut that and get it out of the way and be done with it. And then we're going to get this car out of here and make some space. So anyways, make sure y'all like this video. Make sure y'all don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can get notifications and every time we drop a video, a YouTube shorts, and even do a live. But anyways, not doing any more talking, let's hop straight into this video. Let's go. Try to see how much this we can get done today or whatever. Trying to figure out where I need to cut at or where do I want to cut it. I have this side to do next. Once I'm done with this side, then I could start on the frame itself, and then done with the frame because the only thing we're just cutting the last thing off that I think I need, and it should be the frame. And then the next thing that I think would be left, we just take out the steering wheel rack, and that is it. They're coming to tow this car away today, so that's what we want to do today. Have them tow it away. Maybe I probably could get some little more out of this blade too. Yeah, but I'm trying to just get this done today because you know we've had this car on the channel for a while. And I think it's full time now. We basically get rid of it and we move on to the other builds that we have. So today it's just gonna be me cutting these frames, which it shouldn't take me long and I don't want to take long because the truck is already on their way. Probably got to put one of these batteries back on the charger. Let me see how this one is looking. This one is full. Alright, so give me a second. I'm gonna go put this one on the charger and then we could go back to cutting. Let's hope this doesn't take me too long. But we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna cut it where they basically join it up. I'm just going, instead of cutting back here where I don't have a line, this I have a line, and you could see that's where they want you to, if you were supposed to remove a piece of frame, you could join it back right there, or I guess that's their estimated mark or whatever you call it. So I just got to try to keep my hands straight to make sure I do a nice cut. But that's what I'm saying, if it's gonna take me a lot of time, I'll probably just stop where I'm at and don't even bother with it. So let's see. Sound like it's here. They're here, they're down the street right now. Alright, so give me a second. We're gonna see. Oh, we wanna let this tow driver know, and then we go from there. Hold on. said we almost there. So this one's going by fast. You see that? Alright, cool. So we have part of that side already gone. How far did I cut on that one? I think I cut somewhere right here. So let's get that out the way. Cut somewhere right here, because I'm gonna just take both of them off together. I need a battery again. All right. On jacks. I mean, it looks like everything is off. Alright, so we finally have the car here. So we're gonna see how much they charge us for it, or how much we're gonna get for it. So they said if the wheels were metal, they would have to do a deduction, but since they're aluminum, I think the cost might weigh out a little bit. I don't know. So we'll see how it goes, and then we go from there. Alright, so we got the car sold. They took the rest of it. So for the whole thing, I end up getting hold on, let me see, let me check. So the whole thing, I got $87.58. So that's what we got off at the tow truck driver. He charged me $85 out here. So I end up giving him I end up giving him like $100 and something anyways. So I mean, so we have that one part done. Guess what, now I gotta clean off my driveway. But anyways, thank y'all for subscribing. Thank you for following this video series. I know the Ford Escape has been a long one. I did constant live on it, so thank you again. And alright, so that is it for this 2020 Ford Escape. We still leaving a little bit of parts. I could probably take this bumper out, but honestly, I'm done with everything that I needed. My garage, half of my garage is filled with all the parts from this. So we took off everything that we needed, or all the major parts. I might hold on to the transmission and the engine, just because I don't know if I might need it. The back differential is still on it. So there's still a whole bunch of other parts that I could take off and sell for. But I mean, shocks and whatever, I could probably sell those or buy brand new ones if the other Ford does need one. And plus the other Ford shouldn't need it, because it only has, we just hit it like 11,500 miles or somewhere around that range, or 300 miles. I can't exactly remember. But anyways, thank y'all for watching, thank y'all for liking, thank y'all for subscribing to the channel. Hey, make sure y'all turn your post notifications on. That's how you see everything that we're doing. You could also watch our lives to see what we're doing as well. But I mean, this is one of the things that I wanted to get done before January has ended. So we have the title in hand because they need the title, and I'll see how much it weighs, and if y'all want to see that, I'll probably show y'all that. But I mean, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to just check us out on all social media links, and as I said, turn your post notifications on, and don't forget, our haters are our biggest motivators. Okay, so until next time, we stay positive, stay motivated, and guess what, we are out.